Hi, I'm Helen Muntz with Utah State University Extension. Today I'm here at the Ogden Botanical Gardens, and I'm here to help check one thing off of your spring to-do list. There are several reasons why we divide perennials. Some of it is just to simply propagate, right? Share with our neighbors and our friends. Another reason is when they get a little bit overgrown, and sometimes you can tell because they're not quite as vigorous, they don't bloom quite as well. You get some dead areas towards the center. And then another reason, if you've ever had a perennial that has grass or weeds growing right through it, it's a really easy way to control the weeds by digging the plant out, dividing it a little, and manually pulling those weeds out from the roots. So the general rule, the best time to divide perennials is if they bloom in the spring, you divide them in the fall. If they bloom in the summer or the fall, then you divide them in the spring. Now this Karl Forster grass here is getting a little overgrown. We can tell by this donut shape, and it's starting to get bare and die out in the middle. So we are going to divide this one today. As you can see, I've dug about 4 to 6 inches away from where the foliage is growing. That way I avoid damaging too many roots. So here's another grass that I've decided to divide. I've already kind of dug it out somewhat and put it and divided it right here and right here. Just because for one reason it had kind of an odd shape, but I also want to put some of the pieces of grass in some other locations in the gardens. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope some of the information will be helpful to you. Happy gardening, and come visit our Ogden Botanical Gardens.